Hey there, in this video I will be showing you how to make a chicken katsu sandwich. Start by taking a boneless, skinless chicken thigh and trimming it of any excess fat or skin. Under a Ziploc bag, pound it until it is an even thickness. Then chop about a cup of green cabbage. In a large bowl, season your flour with garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and a good amount of salt. Then crack 2 eggs into a medium-sized bowl. To the eggs, add salt and sriracha. Then whisk together with a fork. Then take your chicken thigh and coat it with the flour. Then take your piece of chicken and put it into the egg wash and coat it entirely. Then place it into your breadcrumbs. Coat it entirely and make sure to press the breadcrumbs into your piece of chicken. It should look like this. To make your sriracha mayo, start by combining mayo, sriracha, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then add a splash of rice wine vinegar. Mix it all together and store it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. To fry your chicken, heat an inch or so of canola oil in a shallow pan and carefully lower your chicken into it. Fry on both sides for about 5 minutes until golden brown all over. Once your chicken reaches 165 degrees internally, rest and drain on paper towels and immediately season with salt after frying. To assemble the sandwich, start by cutting the crusts off of 2 slices of white bread. Then coat both sides of the sandwich with your sriracha mayo, followed by a small nest of cabbage. Then add your piece of chicken and top with the other slice of bread. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see me cook something else, leave it in the comments and I'll make it in a future video. Thank you guys for watching.